Hey guys, happy Tuesday to you all. Welcome back to another analysis session. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader in the program as well. And today I'm going to analyze Aussie Canadian. Okay, as usual, my analysis consists of two parts. First, I analyze high time frame, then I analyze my trading time frame. And today I will explain you how you can identify support and resistance zones and how you can find the reasons for entry to execute your trades. Okay, in my support and resistance zones identification, I'm using fractal system. If you don't know what is a fractal, then I will explain it using an up fractal as an example. Up fractal is a formation, it is a high that is higher than the two highs before that and two highs after that. So this is an up fractal. A down fractal is a low that is lower than two lows before that, like this, and two lows after that, like this. So the whole formation looks this way. Boom, boom. And here it looks the same way, like this. So these turning points are usually significant support and resistance turning points. Those fractals that appear at significant resistance and support levels. Okay. This fractal that I just shown to you is a 5 candle fractal because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles forming that fractal. But I'm personally using 9 candle fractal. So I need at least 4 candles on the left side and 4 candles on the right side from my fractal. So at least 4 highs lower than the fractal high and 4 highs lower on the right side than the fractal high. So in this case, the support and resistance levels become even more significant, even more reliable. So that's it about the fractals. Let us find some on the chart. Okay, we have a high here, high, yes, you see. Then we have high 1, 2, 3, and the current high is high number 4. And before that we obviously have 4 that are lower than this. So this is a fractal high. If this candle doesn't violate that, then this high will stay as a fractal high. Okay, what is next? Going lower, 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 lower. Okay, here. This is a fractal low because 1, 2, 3, 4 lows are higher and 1, 2, 3, 4 lows are higher than this low. Okay, look here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a fractal high as well. Okay, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A fractal low. Oh, let it be this way. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A fractal high. This one. If we draw a line at that fractal high, you see, once this resistance zone was broken, it was tested, proved it was a support, then it went higher, then it was tested once again, proved again that it was a support, then it went higher, found some resistance here, look left, it is a fractal high resistance zone, then we had a kind of retracement, then we tried to violate that, then we tested that and it proved to be broken resistance, proved to be a support, then we violated it once again and then we tested it once again as well. So now we came to the most recent fractal high that should be that should be a resistance as well. At least we should see some kind of this pullback or this pullback, or if I mark that resistance, you can see it here. We came to this resistance and had a pullback. We came to this once again, had a pullback, and so usually we have some price action bouncing of those support resistance levels based on those fractals. Okay, as you guys know, those support and resistance are not the precise levels, they are usually the zones. And to mark the zone, I'm using the rectangle. It marks the zone between the highest high and the highest close, or the highest body of the candle. And if I take a down fractal, it is the lowest low and the lowest close of that fractal formation. So these are the zones. And of course here we see it this way. So once the zone was tested, we had a pullback. When it was broken, we had a kind of pullback again, and then we broke that, and then we tested it again, and now we came to that resistance. Okay, to simplify that kind of analysis, to get rid of that routine of finding the fractals, I have created an indicator. It is called Fractal Zones Indicator. It is using my 9 candle fractal. You can see it. 9 candles to the left, 9 candles to the right for up fractal. And again, 9 candles to the left, 9 candles to the right for down fractal. And the time frames is 1440, it is daily. I wanted to draw rectangles on daily. Boom, and they appear. Very, very simple. The rules are very easy, they are simple as well, and they say if we come to the red zone, we usually need to sell. If we come to the green zone, we need to buy. If the red zone was broken, then we are looking for a retest, for a broken resistance to be turned into a support, and vice versa. If the green zone was broken, like here, yes, we wait for a for this support zone turn into the resistance. Okay, currently we have this resistance zone that was formed today. Let me place some horizontal line marking this zone, and let's go somewhere into the past to find the evidence. Resistance, 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 resistance. We break that, then we tested it as support, tried to break it once again, but then broke to the downside. Resistance again, and support, 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 resistance, 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 support. Sorry for that. So you can see how these zones are acting. They were acting in the past, and the past is the only source for prediction. We're looking at the past, and if it worked in the past, we can predict that it will be working in future as well. So 9 fractal is a good method to find support resistance levels. Okay, so as I told you, when price enters the red rectangle, we should sell it. Okay, should we sell it right away from here? No, not yet. I am a bit more conservative. I am waiting for some pattern appear in this zone, for some pattern completion in this zone, and only then I enter that. Not that very simple as you think. Of course, if you are very aggressive, you can sell it and look at this kind of pullback, at least retesting the previous zone, because nothing stops you from here. Or maybe at here because we can see the resistance zones previously here, at least to here. It doesn't really matter. I'm not using it, I'm not selling it right away from here, not these aggressive methods. Let's switch to 4 hour. As you see, we switch to 4 hour time frame, and daily rectangles stay. They stay the same way they were drawn on daily chart. This is why you need to set a time frame in the indicator to see those daily rectangles, daily support resistance zones on your lower time frames. Okay, I don't see any pattern here. Let me switch to 1 hour. Well, and I see a wonderful bad pattern formation that already completed. So need to jump into that pattern at market. Okay, what is a bad pattern? It is an XABCD formation. If you take this point as X, okay, and this point of as A, okay, they are XA, and you measure it with Fibonacci retracement. Your B point will be 50% retracement. B point is here, 50%. Okay. If this criteria is met, oh, sorry, deleted that B point. Need to delete that Fibonacci. Take Fibonacci once again and measure AB, A to B. And your C point should at least touch 382. If this criteria meets, then we are looking for a pattern completion at 886. Okay, this is C point, appeared, deleting Fibonacci, and stretching Fibonacci from X to A once again to find 886. This is the completion of the pattern, the D point. D point. Okay, X, A, B, C, D pattern. So Fibonacci are not needed anymore. Usually these triangles are drawn with, usually these patterns are drawn with triangles, and you can see there is butterfly looking formations, something like that. So guys, this is a bad pattern that already completed. Again, to simplify the process of that, finding the patterns, for not measuring every leg, for not remembering all the ratios that are good for Gartleys, for bats, for ciphers, for butterflies. Okay, I have created a number of scripts, a pattern search software package. Manual pattern search, zigzag pattern search large, zigzag pattern search medium, and zigzag pattern search small, to find those patterns for me, to identify them in a single double click, like this. Boom, a bad pattern appears. Bearish bet, stop loss this, target this, AB and BC ratios are corresponding. Okay, as for target measuring, the target is 382 movement from A to D to a completion point. It is 382, and the stop should go above the X point, above our fractal zone. We don't want that resistance to be broken. I'm personally using 786% of the target. So if this movement is 100%, then 786 of the same movement will look this way. You see, 786% is my stop loss. If you use it this way, you will always have risk less than reward. Your risk will be only 786% of your reward, and your stop loss will always go above X. So you kill 2 rabbits in one shot. Okay. Well, that's it. Aussie Canadian bearish advanced bet formation. Right now it is completed, so just short it at market if you have that bet pattern, if you are a pattern trader, advanced formation trader. Well, that's it. Hope you trade your plans, hope you plan your trades. Until then, good luck, good trading. See you soon.